So ayun na nga, pauwi na kami from White Beach ng Puerto Galera. Punta kami sa port, then magro-roro pa uwi sa Batangas Port.
Pero kailangan ko magpagas sa...
Memories of sunshine now washed away. On my bike, the road feels so long. Rain starts to fall, a melancholy song. Hold mine, every mile I take, you're on my mind.
So yun na nga, in-enjoy ko na lang yung scenic route pa uwi. Kasi tapos na yung vacation namin. Pero kahit saglit lang, nakatakas sa normal na routine ng buhay.
Times we had bittersweet echoes as I drive away, homeward bound, but my heart wants to stay. Homeward bound, but my heart wants to stay. Wind and rain, they guide me home, but the memories, they're not alone. In the distance, I see the light. Home is calling through the night. Homeward bound, through the rain I ride. Every drop a tear for the times we had. Bittersweet echoes as I drive away. Homeward bound, but my heart wants to stay. Now I'm home, but the rain still falls. Echoes of Mindoro within these walls. Homeward bound, through joy and pain, till we meet again in the fall.
So nandito na kami ngayon sa port ng Puerto Galera. Doon daw yung bilihan ng ticket sa tinuturo ni Kuya. Tapos alam ko yung binayad ng tropa ko 1 to 50 per motorcycle, then environmental fee mga 150 siguro yun or 100 lang ata. May mga kasabay kami na foreigner. Baka nag-Philippine loop sila kasi galing sila Mindoro or baka inassume ko lang.
Leaving paradise, skies turning gray. Sunsets and laughter now miles away. On my bike with the wind in my hair. Rain starts to fall, but I just
Saan ka ba? Uy, saan ka magpapark?
echoes of our laughter.
Diyan ka daw?
Waves as our guide. Where the roads ahead, the horizon's near. Every mile I take, I wish you were here. Riding through the rain, memories in my mind. Every drop on my face, a story left behind. Bittersweet as I go.
Wala naman sinabi, may sinabi.
To roll.
Pwede yan.
Riding through the rain, finding my way home.
Wala akong view.
Riding through the rain home. Wind and rain, they whisper low, guiding me where I need to go.
Muni-muni lang ako. Inisip kung kaya ko na ba ulit harapin yung stress ng buhay sa Manila. Tapos na kasi yung vacation.
My mind, every drop on my face, a story left behind. Bittersweet as I go with the road.
Ayun, 2 hours ata yung biyahe papuntang Puerto Galera to Batangas Port.
Memories in my mind, every drop on my face, a story left behind. Bittersweet as I go with the road to roll. Riding through the rain, finding my way home. Now I'm home, the rain still falls. Echoes of paradise within these walls. Homeward bound through joy and pain, till we meet again in the falling rain.
Oh. Bakit? Pwede. Bakit? Ano gagawin mo? Ha? Magano? Magma? Gago, hindi ko alam pre. Hindi ko alam paano pumunta sa Startol pre, yun yung problema. Mamaya na, labas muna tayo. Ay, ingat din kayo boss. Dulas nung ano, nung pintura no. Ang dulas nung pintura.
So ayun, nasa Batangas Port na kami. Tuwing bumababa ako sa
Rolling on the asphalt road, bike hums
parang
as the
platform
story
bababa.
shows.
Papunta kasi kami
Wind whispers secrets that I know.
Naisip ko bang
Home's
malaglag ako
calling
sa
from
tubig.
Mindoro.
Ayun na nga, nakaulan. Nagdadalawang isip pa kami dito kung magsusuot kami ng kapote o hindi. Ayun, hindi kami nagsuot. Then pagdating sa SLEX, naulanan kami. Sobrang basang-basa. Then ayun nga, wala akong clips ng SLEX namin, nalobat na yung parang dash. O ano, DJI action cam. Yan, kumain kami sa McDo. Kahit basang-basa.
Hirap kumain ng basas. Sir, nasobrahan ka ata sa dilig.
So, nandito na kami sa bahay ng tropa namin sa Laguna, sa Binyan. Dito kasi yung meet up point namin. Hiniram ng tropa ko yung ninja niya. Tropa namin para gamitin sa Mindoro Loop. Yan na yun, pauwi na ako sa Santa Mesa. Muntik pa nga malaglag. Hindi sumemplang sa Mindoro pero sa Manila si Semplang.
Stars shine so bright, memories in the wind, echoes of laughter gone to my family. I return, going home through the night, heart filled.
Ayun, nagpagas na ako dito kasi naubos na yung gas namin. Hindi ako nakapagpagas simula nung Mindoro namin. I mean, nung pauwi. Ayun, nagpagas na ako pauwi. Baka maubusan pa ng gas eh. Medyo maambon pa niyan. Basa yung gloves, basa yung boots ko. Basa medyas. Pangit sa pakiramdam mag-ride ko. Basa yung medyas tsaka yung gloves eh.
Going home through the night, heart filled with old times, riding slow down the road to the ones I call mine.
Stars above me, riding slow, the wind it hugs me. Heart so heavy, memories clinging. Going home, my thoughts are singing. Reflective eyes on silent lanes, motorcycle hum like sweet refrain. Miles behind the road is lonely, family's warmth and love is homely. Homeward bound with heartaches, driving through the night. I keep on driving, nostalgic whispers in the air. Going home to those who care. Lights afar, they flicker softly. Tired eyes, but still I'm lofty. Dreaming of the faces smiling through this night. The miles compiling.
Yun, nasa SLEX na ako pauwi. Mag-skyway na lang ako hanggang Quirino. Quirino ba tama ba? Or Nagtahan. Then, yun, wala akong makita dyan yung visor ko. Sobrang nagfa-fog. Medyo maambon pa kasi yun eh.
Vacations end, but love is constant. Every journey's end a new instant. Motorcycle hums its tune underneath the weeping moon.
Ayun, malapit na ako sa bahay. Ayun, pagod na ako pagdating dito kasi yun, ang hirap talaga pag medyo pangit yung panahon tapos nagra-ride ka. Nakakapagod. Tsaka sobrang traffic sa SLEX nowadays. Yung may ginagawa kasi, isipin mo nasa SLEX ka tapos takbo mo 15 kilometers per hour. Hindi ko kasi na-videohan yun kasi nalobat na nga yung action cam.